This Greek spinach pie is one of the first things I learned how to bake and promise super dali lang. For the filling, combine spinach, feta, parsley, dill, cream cheese, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Mix until well combined and make sure to break up any large chunks of feta. In a separate bowl, beat 1 large egg until it's super light and fluffy, then add it to the mixture. Stir until well combined, then you're ready to assemble. Brush the bottom and sides of your 8-inch baking dish with butter and layer your pre-made phyllo sheets one by one, brushing butter in between. Don't forget to alternate the orientation para pantay on all sides. Add your spinach feta filling and spread to an even layer, then fold the excess pastry onto the filling. Brush again with butter, and now let's layer the top. Gather your last 4 phyllo sheets and pleat them just like this, then don't forget to tuck the edges for a neat border. Again, brush everything with melted butter and get into the nooks and crannies. This is super important. Don't forget to pre-cut your pie because later on it will be super flaky. Bake for about an hour or until golden brown, and now you have your Spanakopita or Greek spinach pie. For the full recipe, head to my link in bio.